Morning, everyone. Today is April the 3rd, 2014, and we're in front of Geisel Library. There's a strike happening in University of California, San Diego. Let's see what's going on here.
The limit of support that we get as TAs, they have this thing called the 18 quarter, limit, and which means that we only have 18 quarters of support as TAs, which is that translates to 6 years total. But during 6 years, we're supposed to work as teaching assistants, and at the same time be graduate students as well. And produce, cutting edge research that they want. And that's really impossible, with just 6 years of support. I myself have a son, that, and so I have other work at home as well. And so the pressure of the 18 quarter limit for support is very unrealistic, and it's really a pressure for them to really exploit us, right? Really exploit us within 6 years,
We've tried to go and meet with them yesterday to discuss the 18 quarter rule, and they locked the doors on us. In front of about 70 strikers. And when we went down to the vice chancellor to try to talk to them about it, they locked the door on us and they started videotaping us. So there's actually just been more intimidation. And on other campuses, at UC Santa Cruz, one of our organizers was arrested yesterday. 21 undergraduate students were arrested, and earlier this morning 2 more undergraduates were arrested for showing solidarity with the union. So unfortunately, we're not seeing much progress from the UC management.
Right now we're negotiating on our contract, and because our contract has expired, we have the right to strike in solidarity with other unions that are also UC affiliated. And so in the fall we went on a solidarity strike with the AFSCME, which is the union for basically all the maintenance and service workers on campus. And when we did that, there was a lot of intimidation that a lot of us experienced from our bosses and from our programs, and that's illegal, and so we're out here striking for that.
One of the things that the UC system has also done is intimidate, teaching assistants by sort of going to like the departments that they work and having the department send harassing emails, to the TAs saying that you'll be docked for your pay if you don't show up for work, that type of harassment. So it's mainly we're just putting pressure, and making this problem visible.
Well, we're trying to get outreach to students specifically because we work for undergraduate students as TAs and RAs and GSIs, and we want them to understand that what's going on the campus and what's going on in our labor dispute, as well as to faculty and staff that are also going through similar issues when they go into contract negotiations, and to also put in public notice of what the UC management has been doing with their intimidation, harassment, as well as their refusal to negotiate on these issues.